Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to copy trade on MEXC. For that, you need to launch your MEXC global mobile application, and after that, you just have to log in into your account. Now, once you've successfully logged in on the home page, you are going to see this More tab. You simply need to tap on this More tab. Now, once you are in the More section, you just have to scroll down, and in the trade, you are going to see the first option of copy trade. So you need to tap on copy trade, and then you will be redirect on this page where you are going to see the top traders. So over here, you can select the top traders based on their 7-day ROI or their 7-day PNL or 7-day win rate. So you can use the filter option in the top, and then you can select or you can filter out the best traders. So once you have selected your trader, you will have to click on this heart button in order to like their profile. After that, you simply need to tap on the follow button in order to follow them. Once done, you will be redirect on their statistics page where you are going to see a bunch of different information relating to the trades they have made and the return that they have generated. So you will have to tap on the follow button, and then you need to press I understand button, and then you need to check this box of I understand, and then you need to press confirm. After that, you are going to see this type of pop-up in front of you where you will have to select the source of your fund. So you can select between your futures account and your fiat account. Then you will have to select the crypto, and after that you will have to enter the quantity. Then you will have to tap on the transfer now button in order to transfer that amount of USDT in your account. Then in the all, you are going to see all of the cryptos and their pairs. So you just have to select the one in which you want to trade. You can even select them all by tapping on this all button in the top. Then you just have to scroll down, and over here you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to add in the trade. You can even use this slider to automatically select the USDT from your account. Then you just have to provide the copy trade account. It can be your fiat account or it can be your multiplier. Then you just have to enter a value from USDT, and after filling these details, you just have to press the next step button. Then on the next step, you just have to confirm your settings that you have made previously, and if everything looks correct, you just have to press the confirm button, and this way you will be able to easily copy trade on MEXC. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.